So once you've got your flowers in your garden, how can you decide if something is actually working? Well, most times it's fairly simple. You look at the flowers that a plant may be producing. And if you look down here at this coreopsis, this bushy one, you can see it's covered with flowers. And actually this plant has probably been flowering for about a month now and probably will continue for a few more weeks. So this is definitely working. This is a really good plant. Now this plant right here, even though it's not flowering yet, it's nice and green, and one of the things you can see are shiny leaves. So if you have a green, shiny leaf plant this one's going to be flowering probably another month, this is a good sign right here too. This is healthy, it's ready to be blooming in another month, so it'll stay right there. And another thing is the vibrance of your color. Now if you notice this delphinium right here, this is a brilliant blue color. I actually have it tied up here a little bit because this tends to fall over, but this brilliant blue color couldn't be any better. And it actually stands out anywhere in the garden. So this is another plant that I would consider is very happy, green, not a lot of brown on it. Those are some signs of plants that are working and are very happy where they are.